Did you know these phrasal verbs with meanings? Look after. Meaning, to take care of someone or something. Examples. She stayed home to look after her younger brother. Could you look after my plants while I'm on vacation? Look ahead. Meaning, to think about and plan for the future. Examples. We need to look ahead and prepare for the upcoming challenges. Successful people always look ahead rather than dwell on the past. Look back. Meaning, to reflect on the past. Examples. When I look back, I realize how much I have learned. He often looks back on his childhood with fond memories. Look down on. Meaning, to regard someone as inferior. Examples. She tends to look down on people who don't have a college degree. You shouldn't look down on others just because they have different opinions. Look for. Meaning, to search for something or someone. Examples. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? She is looking for a new job in marketing. She is looking for a new job in marketing. Look forward to. Meaning, to anticipate something with excitement. Examples. I look forward to meeting you at the event. We are looking forward to our summer vacation. Look in on. Meaning, to check on someone or something. Examples. I'll look in on Grandma this weekend to see how she's doing. The nurse looked in on the patient before leaving. Look into. Meaning, to investigate or examine something. Examples. The police are looking into the cause of the accident. I will look into the matter and get back to you. Look out. Meaning, to be careful or watch for danger. Examples. Look out. There's a car coming. You should look out for scams when shopping online. Look out for. Meaning, to take care of someone or be aware of something. Examples. Always look out for your younger siblings. We need to look out for warning signs of illness. Look over. Meaning, to review or inspect something. Examples. Can you look over my essay before I submit it? The manager looked over the contract carefully. Look past. Meaning, to ignore faults or overlook something. Examples: she looked past his mistakes and forgave him. Try to look past minor differences and focus on what truly matters. Look round. Meaning, to explore or inspect a place. Examples: we looked round the museum before the tour started. She looked round the apartment before deciding to rent it. Look through. Meaning, to examine quickly or search within something. Examples: I looked through the documents but didn't find the answer. He looked through his emails to find the missing message. Look to. Meaning, to rely on or seek help from someone. Examples: we look to our leaders for guidance. The company is looking to investors for financial support. Look up. Meaning, to find information or to improve. Examples: you can look up new words in a dictionary. Things are looking up for the economy this year. Look up to. Meaning, to admire or respect someone. Examples: I have always looked up to my grandfather. Young athletes look up to professional players. Look upon. Meaning, to consider or regard something in a certain way. Examples: they look upon him as a mentor. Many people look upon honesty as an important virtue. Look away. Look away. Meaning, to turn your eyes away from something. Examples: he looked away when the sad scene came on the screen. She looked away to avoid making eye contact. Look up and down. Look up and down. Meaning, to examine someone carefully, usually in a judgmental way. Examples: she looked him up and down before responding. The security guard looked me up and down before letting me in.